Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with working across multiple sheets in Smartsheet and wondered how you can easily pull data from one sheet into another, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to reference and bring data over from a different sheet step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to connect information from several sheets like a pro, making your Smartsheet projects much more dynamic and efficient. So let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up your Smartsheet dashboard and navigate to the sheet where you want to pull the data in. This is your starting point. Think of this as your home base, the spot where you want the results to appear as you build your formula. Now click on the cell where you want the pulled data to show up, here, where you'll start creating your formula. Go ahead and type an equals sign followed by the letter V, just the letter V, like you're about to use the VLOOKUP function. As soon as you type that, hit the Tab key on your keyboard. That quick shortcut helps Smartsheet recognize you're building a VLOOKUP formula, which is the tool we'll use to fetch info from another sheet. At this point, you'll notice the VLOOKUP formula starting to form in your cell. The next move is super important. You need to click on Reference Another Sheet. This button usually appears as a small link or prompt within the formula or your Formula Helper window. Clicking this lets you look beyond your current sheet and grab data from anywhere else in your workspace, which is pretty powerful. So, for the next part, Smartsheet will pop up a window with a list of all your sheets. Select the target sheet. This is the sheet that contains the data you want to fetch. For example, if you're building an overview sheet and you want to pull in sales data, select the sales data sheet. Once you've selected it, you'll be prompted to select a specific column or range from that sheet, typically the column you want Smartsheet to look for your key value in. After you make your selection, Smartsheet will insert a reference to that sheet and range, and you'll see it appear inside your formula, separated by a comma. Go ahead and add the comma manually if it doesn't appear automatically. This is important because a formula in Smartsheet needs commas to separate each part, just like separating ingredients in a recipe. Next, you'll repeat the Reference Another Sheet step, but this time, you're going to select all the data you might want returned, such as a column full of values to pull back. Imagine you're telling Smartsheet, okay, look here for the thing I typed, and if you find it, give me info from this other column. This keeps your data nice and streamlined. Once you've selected the right column, add another comma. Now type 1 and then another comma. The 1 here specifies which column number the formula should pull from. If you're matching directly or if the column you want is the very first one you referenced, go ahead and use 1. If you ever need to pull a value further along, like the second or third column, you'd change this number, but for today we'll keep it simple. For the final touch, you'll type false, FALSE, not in all caps, then close the formula with a parenthesis. Setting this to false tells Smartsheet you want an exact match, which is usually the safest way to pull data accurately. Don't worry if this looks a little complex. Once you do it a couple times, it becomes second nature, and that's it. When you hit enter, you should see the data from your other sheet show up right where you want it. If you get an error, double-check your references and make sure your commas and column numbers are just right. Sometimes a tiny typo can throw things off, but don't get discouraged. Troubleshooting formulas is all part of the learning process. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more Smartsheet tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.